What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time. Yo, today, Dumb Mafia, we back with another what is it? The World Athletic Championship for 2023 in Budapest. We're back with another reaction, man. You already know, we love track over here. You see me? We love the male and the female track over here. You don't know, y'all people, we love track on field. You know what I'm saying? But the World Athletic Championship is going on right now in 2023 in Budapest. The last one we reacted to was Shakari, Sharika, and Shelly on 100 meter race. That was close, man. It's been a long time since Team Jamaica lost a race in the 100 meters. You know what I'm saying? The girls have been dominating for years and they just lost. So if you haven't checked that one, go check out that race. But today we're checking out the men's. We're back where I check out you don't know how to support reggae boys and we're golden boys over here. So you see me? So I check out the 400 meter finals and see. Let's see how we did in this one, man. Cause lately, bro, I heard we've been taking L's. That's what I heard. So somebody sent me this video to react to on Discord. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna react to it and see what happened, man. I hope we did good, bro. You know, we dominate track, bro. So we shouldn't be losing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Someone sent me this on Discord to react to. I'm gonna check it out. If you haven't joined the Discord as yet, make sure you do that right now. Link is in the description. Click it. Join the Discord. You can send me videos directly. You can talk to me directly. You can request a video. You can suggest other videos. You can also you also get live updates, previews. You get to know as soon as I drop a video. You already know. But yeah, man, we're gonna check this out, man. Cause yo, you know, yard people that we dominate track and field, bro. You know what I'm saying? We shouldn't be losing, bro. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on to this, man. The last one upset me. I was not expecting that, you know. But it wasn't, you know. But still, shout out to Shakari. You know, so we're not hit. But Shelly and Sharika did put in their work. You know what I'm saying? But it's surprising. It looked like she went, you know, after the loss, she went back to the board and you know, did her work, and she came back good. So can't be mad at that. But we'll check out this. This one says another final, another upset. First time world finalist wins thrilling men's 400 meter. So I'm not sure who is that is. Cause I don't think it's the first time the Jamaicans qualify for the 400 meters, so I'm not sure who won this one. Let's see what happened, man. Come on.
Surprises in the final.
And Jamaica has 2 shots at a medal. And the way they've been running tonight, anything could happen.
Jamaica hasn't won this event since '83. That's 40 years ago.
What? Wait. We haven't won the 400 meters, man, in 80 years? 80? Yo, y'all want it, bro. And we dominate track and field, bro. I know we are pretty good at sprints. I ain't gonna cap to. We're good at sprints and relays and hurdles, but when it comes to like long distance, we do fall. But we still got good athletes, man. So let's see what happens, yo.
Championships became official.
That's crazy. I don't know if that's what they said. Let's pull it back up, cause I don't think.
At a medal, and the way they've been running tonight, anything could happen.
Jamaica hasn't won this event since '83. That's 40 years ago.
Oh, 83, 40 years since we. That's still a long ass time. 40 years since we won this shit. That's crazy.
When the World Championships became
it's
official.
2023, bro. We gotta take this. Come on.
Let's go, men's 400 final time.
And Otto, like you said, it's gonna be
you know,
tough
this
to
one different.
separate
That's
this
just
men, but
one
I
lap
feel
around
like
the field
your
and
pick
sprinting.
so far, Matthew Hudson Smith of Great Britain is off to the best start. And you said it, he's been holding back. Well, he is not holding back tonight.
Yeah, but Vernon Norwood, I like where he is as well. But man, Matthew Hudson Smith has dominated the first half of this race. But look behind him. That's Karate James, who knows how to run past people for wins.
Hopefully he hasn't done too much too soon.
Karate James is coming at Hudson Smith.
Remember that, you know.
The Jamaican. Here comes Antonio Watson and Vernon Norwood. This could be a photo finish. The Jamaican's got it. Watson said he's never run so fast in his life. And he's now a world champion.
Come on, let's get it, bro. To get that goal, bro. In 400, bro. We came and took this shit. Oh, I'm Tony, man.
Unbelievable. Listen, Jamaica is used to celebrating champions in the sprints. They didn't have one in the women's 100 this year, not in the men's 200. So guess what? Antonio Watson said, you're celebrating me tonight. I am going to bring home Jamaica's first, was now second sprint medal, back-to-back gold medals for Team Jamaica.
And Team USA's Quincy Hall did what he did in the semi.
Bailey, you tried Bailey. Bailey
Bailey
from 6th
to get World Championship bronze.
Watson,
so Hall gets
familiar with him. I get familiar with him, G. Big up there himself, me G. What's 9? Me know Bailey, but Bailey, bro. Why the hell, bro? You don't look like you should be 6. You're not supposed to have a long distance, G. But Watson, shout out to you, my G. I'm definitely gonna look into more into you, my G. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you,
down
bro.
for second.
And Norwood just off the podium, 0.02 of a second left him off the podium.
So there's Quincy Hall. He's gonna be thrilled. First Worlds.
Oh, he ain't catch my ball.
Medal.
He ain't catch my ball. My boy did
When
that.
Lewis spoke
4.22.
to him
The
after his
closest person
qualifying, he
after
said,
is
I don't know what
4.39.
to say, we'll
catch
just
my
see
ball.
what happens.
Yeah.
Well, what's happened is you've got a bronze medal.
You have to go back to Burt Cameron
Yo, this
in
nigga dead. You know the
1983
American
to find
nigga
the
died.
last
He
time
died
that
right
Jamaica
here.
won this event at
Come on.
Worlds. But
Come on.
Watson has delivered. And here's the other.
Hold on, gang. Hold on, gang. Look at this nigga. Look
I don't know what to say, we'll just see
Pay
what
attention to
happens.
this
Well,
guy.
what's happened is
He
you've got
dying
a
right
bronze
now.
medal.
You have to
You
go
in
back
condition right
to
now. You
Burt
dying
Cameron in
You wanna
1983 to find the last time that Jamaica won this event at Worlds. But Watson has delivered. And here's the other thing. He is the second youngest in the field.
I mean-
Expect Antonio Watson to be a major factor in this event for the foreseeable future.
Clap him.
What a night here at the National Athletics Center for Jamaica.
Yeah.
Well, when Quincy walked up here, the first thing you said was, I just didn't panic. I just didn't panic. Explain that to us.
What?
I
He
seen
came
Matthew
third?
roll up on me with 100 meters
you got
in.
it, man.
I see the field pulling away from me. But like I said, I got that diesel engine. I'm the strongest one out
I
there.
don't understand though. How y'all interviewing the losers before y'all interview the fucking winner, bro? I don't
Might
get
not
it.
be the fastest, but I'm the strongest out there.
So
don't
you're in
get
your
it.
first Worlds and you get your
'Cause he's
first
American,
medal.
bro.
What does that mean
Well,
to you?
but
Here
damn
it is
shit.
right here around your neck.
Yo, this is the only time I see they do that. You see, when America lose, they interview the losers first. But it's when America win, they interview the winners first and then go to the losers. Get off the
I
screen,
said it
bro.
trials, and I said it now. I got that dog in me, man. I work hard, and I just trust my trainer. I trust my coaches.
That dog is a
And
chihuahua.
I just do what I'm supposed to do. And you see it shows up when it's time to matter.
What have you learned about this whole experience, about these global stages and the call times and everything you have to do to navigate just getting to the track to do what you just did? This is preparation
Get
potentially
off
for
the
the Paris
screen.
Games.
No, all that is just distraction.
All right, bro. I don't really care about you, my G. Get off the screen, bro. Real shit. I don't care if you want to call me. Bro, so long. When interview, man, don't interview the. I'm going to go suck on no mama, bro. Go suck on no girl. I'm not hearing nothing from the body, boy. Anyway, I said, though, you don't know Watson. Big up yourself. Always the other guy name. Fuck. The other Jamaican team. You do a little bit work. You can't come back. You don't lose that bad. You see me? You're on the 3rd place on 3rd. That's still look about bad, me G. Just work by yourself still, but yeah, man, Watson, big up your damn self, man, if you represent for yard. Yeah, Bailey. Just go and work on your thing. You see me, I say, and next year, yeah, you probably can't, bro, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Watson, big up yourself, you represent for yard, man, you represent the country well, you know what I'm saying? Do your thing. Don't make them rob your light bolt, you know, keep doing your thing. Yeah, man, big up everybody, let me know what y'all think about this one in the comment section, man. What y'all think about Team Jamaica, man? Yo, big up them, man. They represent the country. They've been doing it. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to track, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the athletes been representing the country and doing well, man. So we'll give them a full support. You see me? I will love. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You know, next year Olympics and thing. So I want them in the right state of mind. So give them full support. Barely just work on your thing a little bit there and you can make a comeback. You know what I'm saying? So gang, let's chat it in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you want to see more reactions like this. You know what I'm saying? What y'all reacting next. I don't know. The boy Jambisco was here and there. Alright, you don't know. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.